Kajing keren hapdeng menti rangba Conrad ke sangma bikinong ilam juga aceng keseng balang negaro hills menta ke janmir kita karp sautri unaitung kekut hakajing ki kebajur Tura hakabasan ngut ki pulit ki mynsaw hade migla sya kawang mau hupat bhur bagla donru kajing sya thang jong ki kali hadu bla pelaj ini khubor kajing ki kadang ya syakmat bu Conrad udang sahkut Chief Minister's Office Tura ban khmi bnya kajing long jingman hakani kathan Kidikot ke acik kila pelong ke jing sa tangan mental apalat sitayo bandawa ban itu no ke Tura kum winter capital baru ban pendrika mig roster system nadu snam ke kendai spanya fuar kadwa ke jingi keren hapdeng menteri rangba bikinong ilam ke acik kadang ya syafrang hakani ke jaka katukan ngut ki brio ki bomla ban itu klas dawan pen kulmar ke jingi lang habar jani ko pestrika mu Conrad unong ilam ke seng ulaben si chmarak le itu ki brio basedang ke ni jing kulmar ki di brio shisngi bad kimshum ladan benta ba ke seng jungki lani don benta ha ke jingi lang balalong hakisngi blalej le itu ba ke jing kulmar kala penting ki ban mi shabar ban benta ki lah ban ri tingen ha office jung commissioner of divisions le itu ru ba karai lekin dang yai beteng ke jing shatkan em uni ngelam ulong bagi sahab ni syong menekren hakju ko por ulong bagi jing ekren bu minti rangba menta sngi kalong ba seiso ukon rat sangma ulakhot snguba ki ngelam ka acek banwan che shillong banwan ra ikimat jing dawa juki hamat kiwi ki menteri sarkar jilla kajing elang shillong kala blo ka pral ni khnai trik u banai banwan
Swing 就好了。
Nama? Nung jaga apa banderang mo?
Betul bunyinya betul, stone hit itu.
Trying to project the sentiments of our people, but such anti-social elements coming suddenly, it has hurting us, and it has made us afraid also. All our committee member are here; they haven't ventured outside.
So
And
are you
it's
calling
getting dark
up?
also.
Are you calling up your hunger strike?
If we call off hunger strike, also the people will be more angry. But if we stay here also, our security problem is also there. So we had what to do.
So you'll take a call.
Yes, that's what we have to. We have to sit. Whoever we are today with us, all senior citizens, all NGO leaders, we have to sit and we have to think. But serious security problem has arose.
Okay.